In a balanced Y connected load of 30 plus J10 ohms per phase is connected to a 3-phase 60 Hz 208 volt supply. Determine the value of the capacitor, each capacitor in microfarad, which will yield unity power factor. So ito Y connected load. So per phase tayo. So series RL. Tapos yung capacitor, i-assume muna natin na naka-Y. So Y naman to, kaya 30. So RL 30, then XL 10. Kung maalala nyo yung discussion natin kahapon for parallel ito gagawin niyang resonance. Resonant yung circuit. So that is, we have BL is equal to BC. So yung BL is XL divided by RL squared plus XL squared. So ito naman ay XC all over RC squared plus XC squared. Pero wala siyang RC, kaya 0 to. So magkakancel yun. So yung value ng XC na naka-Y is equal to RL squared plus XL squared divided by XL. Substitute natin, 30 squared plus XL, 10 squared divided by XL is 10. 30 squared plus 10 squared plus divided by 10. So 100. So 100 ohms yung XCY, that is equivalent to 1 over omega times C connected in Y, which will make the circuit resonant, or that will change or correct the power factor from a certain value to unity. That will be 1 over 60 Hz, so 125 times 100. .526 microfarad. So ang inassume natin na connection, naka-Y connected yung capacitor. Okay, so ang lumabas na capacitance per phase connected in Y is 26.526. As you can see from the choices, wala siyang ganyan na value. So therefore, maybe the capacitors are connected in delta. Ano ulit yung gagamit natin? So, i-divide natin yung capacitors connected in Y by 3. So, divided by 3. So, 8.842 microfarad. Okay, so, letter T. Pag may na-solve kayo, ilapit nyo sa yung calculator nyo, ilapit nyo sa mga pagpipilian para makita nyo, ma-distinguish nyo na yun ang tamang sagot. Mas okay na yung sigurado. Okay, next. Number. Find the average power absorbed by a balance 3-phase load in an ACB circuit in which one line voltage is VAC, that is 480 volts. And one line current, the load is IB, that is 2.1, 21. Angle 30 at saka angle 80. So ito naka-angle 30. Ito naman naka-angle 80. Am I correct? So what is the average power absorbed? ACB. So yung original na kanya ganito. A, then C, then BB. Then yung VAC, andito siya. So VAC is 480 angle 30 degrees. So ito ngayon, nag-iba na yung line voltage ng phase A, AC na ngayon. Hindi na siya VAB kasi ito, negative sequence. So nasaan yung IB? Dito yung IB. With an angle of 80 degrees. So ito 80 degrees. Ano yung angle ng pagbabasehan natin? So dito tayo sa IB at saka BB. Ito yung BB, ito yung IB. Ito yung reference. Yung VA, since angle 30 yan yung kanyang line voltage, yung per phase, naka-angle 0 siya. So this is originally, yan ay 120 pa rin. Then ito ay 80 degrees. So yung phase angle difference ng voltage, so dapat per phase ang basis. So that is, what is this angle? 40 degrees. Okay? So what is the total power? Yeah, according to formula, that is square root of 3 times B line to line times I line times the power factor. So square root of 3, yung line to line voltage 480, then I line 2.1, yung power factor is cosine. Ito yung theta na gagamitin natin, yung 40 degrees. Hindi siya P80 minus 30. Kasi IB yon given. Andito siya, patabi ng BB. So yung angle, yung sa per phase kayo base. Per phase voltage ng line B, saka per phase current ng line B. Kung A naman, andito yung kanya. Andito siya, angle negative 40. So what is the total power consumed by the load? Square root of 3 multiplied by 480 times 2.1 times cosine of 40. Naka-degree mode ako. So 1337. 0.443 watts. Yung nasa choices ay hindi naka-kilowatt, so yan na i-compare na natin. So letter A yung nasagot ng number 22. So kailangan nyo munang makuha yung tamang power factor angle. Kasi kung i-apply nyo dito, 50, I think mayroon din atang lalabas. Ayun o, 1122. Pero ang tamang sagot niyan, yung 1337. Kasi ito, VAC, ito yung plot ng mga voltages saka currents. So, nakuha yung 40, 120 minus 80. Okay, next. The phase B line voltage and the phase A line current of a balanced three-phase system are 220 sine omega t plus 210 volts and I is 10 sine omega t plus 180 degrees amperes respectively. So what is the power of the system? So troubleshoot natin. Ito, gawin nating phase B. Para nakakapital naman yan, kaya RMS na yung 220 at saka 10. So yung B, phase B line voltage is phase B line current. Phase B line voltage, VBC. So that is 220 angle 210. Yung IB is 10 angle 180 degrees. 210. So kung ito yung reference, bilang tayo ng 210, nandito yung VBC, yung IB, andito siya sa negative X. Yung line voltage saka line current, may angle sila na 30 degrees. Kasi ito 210. Ito angle 180. So kukunin natin yung VB. So yung VBN is 220 over square root of 3. Babalik tayo ng 30 degrees. Kaya mawawala yung 210, magiging 180 na siya. minus 30 degrees. So that will be 220 over square root of 3. Angle 180 degrees. Kasi yung phase angle, base yan sa per phase voltage saka yung per phase current. Yung line to line is equal, wala namang per phase doon na basta line, iisa lang naman yon. Walang line to line na current. Short na yon. Mag-short yung dalawang line. So IB, so ano ngayon yung power factor angle? So yung angle ng IB, theta IB minus theta VB, pareha sila ng angle. So cosine 0. So that is 1. So therefore the total power is square root of 3 times the line to line voltage times the line current. This is also line current, yung magnitude niya. Tapos yung power factor times 1. Square root of 3 times B line to line, 220 times the line voltage, 10. Ito, to troubleshoot natin. Pag hindi natin gagawing phase B yan, yung phase A, andito yung masyado ng malayo. More than angle. 100, more than 90. Eh, wala namang power factor angle na more than 90. So what is the answer? Square root of 3 times 220. The answer will be 3,810. Kahit gawin nyo na cosine 30, meron pa rin lalabas. Pero yung kung ito troubleshoot mo na gawing phase B yan, or line B, ito yung answer niya, 3,810. Next. A balanced three-phase source serves 3 loads, 24 kilowatts, 0.6 lagging power factor. Load 2 is 10 kilowatts, unity power factor, and load 3 is 14 kVA, 0.8 leading power factor. So ito yung load 1, so mayroon tayong I1 dyan, tapos mayroon tayong I2, tapos mayroon tayong I3. So ano yung total current? So I1 plus I2 then plus I3. So paano natin masosolve ulit yung I1? So power yung given. So P1 24,000 divided by square root of 3. Ito naka-watts. Yung line to line voltage 208. Kailangan nating i-divide ito ng power factor kasi watts yan. Kailangan maging volt ampere. Para maging volt ampere, i-divide natin yung watts ng power factor 0.6. So yung current yan, yung magnitude. Tapos para ma-add natin sila vectorially, kailangan natin yung angle. 0.6 lagging power factor. So anong sign ng angle? Negative. Arc cosine of 0.6. Then yung I2, 10 kilowatts. Unity power factor, so divided by square root of 3 times 208 times 1. Ang angle niyan, arc cosine 1, which is 0. Plus 14 kVA, so that will be 14,000 over square root of 3 times 208. Kailangan pa bang i-divide ng power factor? Hindi na. Bakit? Kasi naka-volt ampere na to. Saka lang tayo magdi-divide ng power factor kung yung given na power ay naka-watts. Kapag naka-volt ampere, hindi na kailangang i-divide ng power factor. So this will be, the leading power factor is 0.8, so plus arc cosine 0.8. Then kunin natin yung magnitude. Kailangan sa pag-compute, meron yung angle. Then yung bar na yan, para yung ilalabas niya na sagot ay naka mode 2. Yung ilalabas niya na sagot, magnitude na lang. 24 exponent 3 divided by square root of 3 times 208 times 0.6. Then angle negative, shift cosine 0.6. Then sa I2, ito, plus 10 exponent 3 divided by square root of 3 times 208. Then times 1. So angle 0, kahit di na natin ilagay. Plus 14,000 divided by square root of 3 times 208. Then yung angle, meron siyang bearing. Shift cosine 0.8. Then equals 141.535. Which is approximately equal to this, letter C. kakalapit sila. Kung may 142, may 141, wala naman siguro. Buti na lang wala yung 142. You can also have ST. Pero ganun lang din yon. Pa-factor out mo lang yung 1 over square root of 3 times 208. Actually, meron yan. Factor out mo lahat yan. Yung 1 over square root of 3 times 208, pwedeng ilabas dito. Then yung nasa loob, yung total apparent power. Ay 50-50 na to. Pag namin, pag sa nung board exam namin yan na binigay, 50-50. Kasi walang hindi nakakomplex yung calculator namin. Puruin mo, wala yan. Mode 1. Magko-compute ka ng ganyan. Anong gagawin mo? Siyempre, i-convert mo yan sa rectangular muna. Cosine, sine. Yan ang ginagawa namin sa calculator namin doon. Kasi walang complex. Ito, kaya may shift, polar, then rectangular. Yan lang yung meron sa amin noon na function, pang-complex. Yung direction na ganyan, wala. Parang kalalabas pa lang ata nung mga bagong calculator. Yung medyo nagiging advanced na rin, may imaginary siya. Pero wala pa yung ganyan na may angle. Ang meron lang noon yung may imaginary. Kaya maswerte pa rin kayo, ma-advance yung calculator nyo. 25, two balance loads are connected in parallel to a three-phase 460 volt source. Load A is 90 kVA at a power factor of 0.6 lagging. In load B is 25 kVA at unity power factor. What is the new power factor of the system? So, kunin natin yung ST. So, S1 plus S2. Ano yung mga S na yan? Apparent power. So, S1, 90. Then, angle. Depende sa inyo kung yung tamang angle kasi, kung positive, lagging. Pag S, pero pag current, negative. So, that will be plus arc cosine 0.6. Bakit? Kasi magkakaroon tayo ng conjugation. Nag-conjugate tayo, yung negative na angle ng current, magiging positive siya pag kinompute natin yung S. Kaya positive talaga yung tamang angle. Yung ibang libro, ginagawa nilang negative. Plus 25 unity power factor, arc cosine 1. And after that, kung ano yung resulting angle, anyway, positive man yan or negative, kasi dito, laging yung kanyan. Hindi naman enough yung 25 kVA para maggawin niyang leading yung power factor. So, 90, hindi nako-complex. Mode 2, shift, 90, shift angle, shift cosine, 0.6. Then, plus 25, shift 2, 3. Then yung power factor, kunin lang natin yung cosine ng angle. Cosine of 42.3458. Para hindi kayo magsusulat, pwede ng cosine of shift 2, yung 1. Ibig sabihin yun yung ilalabas niya yung angle. Yung original answer natin. So, 0.739 lagging. Ginagamit yung libro ni Rojas, negative pag lagging. Pero sign convention lang naman yon. Pero yung actual talaga na angle niya, kasi magko-conjugate, magiging positive. Pag lagging power factor. 0.739 lagging to letter A.